Why do 60% of middle-aged adults find horse riding life-changing? Let's find out. Horse riding isn't just for kids or cowboys. It's an incredible way for middle-aged adults to stay fit, mentally sharp, and emotionally balanced. Imagine yourself trotting through nature, feeling the breeze and connecting with a magnificent animal. Physically, it strengthens your core, improves your posture, and burns calories without feeling like a workout. Mentally, it sharpens your focus and reduces stress, offering a peaceful escape from everyday hustle. And emotionally, the bond you build with your horse can be deeply rewarding and therapeutic. Plus, it's a fun way to meet new friends and join a community of like-minded enthusiasts. So saddle up and give horse riding a try. Your body, mind, and spirit will thank you. Ready to ride into a healthier and happier life? Let's go!